Hello students, welcome to science class. I am your science teacher Apurva Chaurasia. In the previous sessions, in the previous months, we have studied different chapters: solid, liquid, gas, plants growing in number, our environment and natural resources. These chapters were covered up. Now today we will study about the different types of habitats. The chapter is Animal World. So there are so many types of habitats: desert, forest, oceans, rivers, seas, polar regions. So today we are going to study about them only. Now, what is a habitat? Before studying about a habitat, you have learnt about environment. What is environment? The surroundings in which the animals live is called the environment. An area in which a particular animal naturally lives, eats, grows, and reproduces is called its habitat. What is a habitat? An area in which a particular animal naturally lives, eats, grows, and reproduces is called its habitat. Today we will study about the different types of habitats. First one is forest. What are forests? Forests are large areas that have a variety of trees and other plants. A large variety of animals also live in the forest. Like you can see in the video, there are so many different types of animals like elephant, monkey, fox, tiger, etc. The second type of habitat is deserts. What comes to your mind when you hear about the desert? Yes, a camel. And whenever you go to Jaipur, you see the desert and you want to have a ride on a camel. So today we will study about the different features of camel. Survive in hot desert conditions. The animals that live in desert have special features to survive in such extreme temperatures. So what does a camel have? Camel has a big hump to store food whenever needed. So the camel stores fat in the hump which it uses as a food whenever required. It also drinks less water and it can retain water for long time. That's why it doesn't require to drink water every day. Long legs of camel help it to keep its body away from the heat of the sand. It also has long eyelashes to protect its eyes from sand. It also has padded feet which help it in walking on sand without sinking in it. Suppose if you walk on sand, you will not be able to walk on sand properly, but a camel can easily walk because it has really long legs and padded feet which help it to walk on the sand. Now we will study about the next habitat, that is polar region and high mountains. In polar regions, you know that the temperature is extremely cold and the animals like the polar bear and seals and penguins which live in such extreme cold conditions, how do they survive? Because polar bear has a layer of thick fur on its body which keeps it warm to withstand cold conditions. They have a layer of fat under their skin which keeps them warm. Some of them also have thick fur. Birds living in polar regions such as the penguins have thick and dense feathers on their body which keeps them warm. Now the next type is oceans, seas and fresh water. In oceans there are some animals, aquatic animals like the octopus, shark, blue whale which live in ocean water. In fresh water like the rivers, lakes and ponds, some animals like frogs and salamanders, they live in fresh water, and even some fishes, freshwater fish, they live in fresh water. You can see the image of salamander and frog I have included in the video. Now frogs and salamanders can live both on land as well as in water. That's why they are called as amphibians. So in this video you have learned about the habitat, what is a habitat, the different types of habitat, and the different types of animals that live in different types of habitat. Thank you for watching. Learn all these things.